Hi, it's Mike, back visiting Payam Data to give you a behind-the-scenes look at a real-life case study of Amanda's MacBook Pro from Melbourne, Australia, which suddenly stopped working. When our technician opened up the MacBook, he immediately spotted the problem. Dust had accumulated inside over time, corroding critical components. One main capacitor had completely corroded, creating a short circuit that prevented the laptop from powering on. He explained that dust buildup combined with moisture creates component failure. The corroded capacitor blocks power flow needed for startup, like having a blown fuse box where nothing can turn on. Using specialized tools under a microscope, I watched him carefully remove the corroded capacitor, smaller than a grain of rice. Next came the power management IC, the brain controlling power flow throughout the system. He replaced the faulty chip, soldering it perfectly into place. After testing, it still wasn't booting completely, so he replaced the power management IC once more to ensure everything worked perfectly. The moment of truth. The Apple logo appeared. The MacBook was alive again. Success! All 135 gigabytes of Amanda's data were recovered, including her desktop files, documents, and most importantly, her complete iPhoto library, which she was most worried about as no iCloud backup had ever been made. All files were saved to an Apple formatted external hard drive. Since Amanda was heading overseas and requested our priority service, all work was completed within 24 hours. She received a detailed file listing and video preview before payment, then collected her data directly from our office.